In this video, we will introduce you to Looka, ready to turn ideas into a standout brand. Branding is hard, too many choices, too little time. Let's fix that fast. Looka's AI learns your style, industry, and goals, then generates tailored design directions. Set your name, mission, vibe, and colors. The platform transforms inputs into professional options. Explore unique logo concepts, clean, modern, handcrafted aesthetics ready for refinement. Fine-tune typography, icons, and spacing. Dial in bold palettes for instant visual impact. Preview everywhere. Cards, sites, apps, and content thumbnails. See your brand in action. Download a complete brand kit. Logos, color codes, type scales, and usage guidelines. Stay consistent across platforms. Scale assets for posts, ads, reels, and presentations. A sleek, high-quality experience that builds trust, credibility, and conversion-ready confidence. Integrate with your content workflow. Faster production, stronger branding, less guesswork. Entrepreneurs and startups move from idea to identity fast with professional polish. Design and marketing pros collaborate with clear guidelines and scalable assets. Click the link to try Looka and subscribe to AI Creators for more. Let's build.